Hello, mental health heroes. Welcome to the Academy. Agent Grateful is here to teach us all about gratitude and a simple exercise you can do when you might feel sad, worried, or angry. Notice how happy she is. She is thinking of all the things that she is grateful for in her life. Each time she thinks of something, a new leaf appears. Watch them swirl. Are you ready to think of something you are grateful for? You don't need to say it out loud, so let's shut our eyes and picture what it is. Sometimes you can be grateful for the smallest of things, like a sunny day, a funny joke you heard, or a quiet moment with your favourite book. Have you pictured what you are grateful for? Open your eyes. Let's now imagine your gratitude leaf appearing, just like Agent Grateful's. Watch them float and swirl. As they float, let's say thank you together. Saying thank you for the things you are grateful for shows gratitude. This means you are showing other people you really appreciate them and what they do, which will make them feel good about themselves too. Let's try and make one more gratitude leaf before we go. Shut your eyes again. This time I want you to picture a person or friend you are grateful for. Notice how it makes you feel when you think of them. It's a nice feeling, isn't it? Slowly open your eyes. Look at all the leaves we have created together by being grateful. Remember to say thank you. You could try using this power every morning when you wake up. You'll feel proud and happy to start your day.